In today's video, I'm going to show you how to type in the text input fields in Chrome quickly and correctly, even if you're just getting started. This is a simple skill, but it's one you'll use all the time, whether you're searching the web, filling out a form, logging into an account, or entering details on a website. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, your taskbar, or your app menu, depending on how your computer is set up. Once Chrome opens, you're ready to go to any website that has a text field. Now go to a website with a text box. This could be a search engine like Google, a login page, or a contact form. Basically, you just need any place where you see an empty box waiting for text. If you're not sure which box is the right one, look for a field that says things like search, email, username, name, or message. Once you've found the text field, move your mouse pointer over the box and click inside it one time. This step is important because clicking activates the field and tells Chrome exactly where you want your text to go. After you click, you should see a blinking cursor appear inside the box. That blinking line means the field is selected and ready for typing. If you don't see the cursor, just click again inside the box until it appears. Sometimes forms have more than one field, so make sure you're clicking the exact one you want to type into. For example, if you're filling out a form, you might first click the name field, then the email field, and then the message field. Now simply start typing on your keyboard. As you type, the text will appear inside the input field in real time. You can type something simple like, "Hello, how are you?" or enter whatever information the website is asking for. If you make a mistake, use your Backspace key to delete letters one by one, or hold Ctrl and press A to select all the text in the field so you can replace it quickly. You can also move between fields using the Tab key on your keyboard. This is very helpful when you're filling out long forms, because it lets you jump from one input box to the next without clicking each time. Just type in one field, press Tab, and Chrome will move you to the next available box. If the field still won't let you type, make sure the page has fully loaded and that the box is actually active. Some sites have buttons or special overlays that need to be closed first, but in most cases, all you need to do is click inside the field and begin typing. And that's really all there is to it. Open Chrome, go to a website with a text field, click inside the box until you see the blinking cursor, and then start typing with your keyboard. Once you've done it a few times, it becomes second nature. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step Chrome tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.